What's up, YouTube? Just fueled up. About to ride down to this Latino bike car wash event. They got food, raffles, bunch of little things going on from what I seen on the flyer. Beautiful Saturday. Stick around, catch up with you guys a little bit down the road. Hopefully I got this mic situation straightened out and we get a little bit more clear audio this go around. Headed down to this Latino Riders event. It's supposed to be bikes, cars, car wash as well, car and bike wash, food, raffles, a bunch of different stuff from what I saw on the flyer. Hopefully it lives up to what I'm expecting. It is a 45-minute ride from now. Should be a nice ride. It is beautiful outside. Check in with you as I get a little bit closer. People still pulling up. Not gonna lie, this is a nice event. We got the bike wash, car wash, food. They even got the strippers out. I'm not doing too much talking because you're not gonna be able to hear me with all the music from the DJ. But I'm gonna enjoy this a little bit more. rolling out right now, man. That event was lit. All kind of partying, drinking and stuff going on. Fortunately, I ain't do no drinking. Haven't really been trying to do the drinking stuff lately. Been kind of on a healthy kick, trying to drop some weight. But event was nice for sure. A lot of people showed up, people still coming in. I said, man, let me get out of here. I was boxed in. A bunch of people left to have me boxed in, so I said, man, I'm gonna get out of here while I can. Not too much talking on this video. I couldn't really talk without the music drowning me out. So I think, like always, like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.